Alright fam, JBL GO 4, what you need to know. I listed some of the most important features here, so feel free to pause it if you need to look them over. Looking at the app here, JBL added some new EQs, JBL Signature, which I think is going to be a fan favorite, along with some other EQs as well. Below the equalizer, you're going to see playtime boost, and what this is going to do is it's going to reduce the bass, so therefore it'll prolong your battery so you can play your music a lot longer. You also get a 5-band custom EQ, which is a nice touch. The GO 4 is equipped with Auracast, so you can pair it to the JBL Extreme 4 and the Clip 5. One thing to remember when it comes to stereo pairing, you have to pair this with another JBL GO 4. Okay, it has to be identical, can't be a GO 3 or anything like that. It must be a GO 4. Alright fam, I gotta point out a few features here on the JBL GO 4. You have the two-tone color logo now, instead of just one color. You get 2 silicone stoppers, and they're a lot thicker now. And you also get a nice wider strap. Volume play button on one side, and then you have your silicone stoppers on the other. Your power and connection buttons are in a much better place. Just to point out, the charge port is still located on the bottom here. And new for the JBL GO 4, the triple plus play, go back to the previous song, so if you want to rehear a song, there you go. No cap recap, JBL GO 4. Fam, if you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Amazon affiliate link down in the description below. JBL GO 4 is going for $49. It's 4.2 watts and it's up to 7 hours of playtime. Now I got a tip for y'all. You're gonna use this speaker. Now if it's just you, you can set the speaker however you like. But if you're trying to share the sound, let's just say it's you and a friend, what you wanna do is take the speaker and sit it on its back. That's right, those 2 silicone strips on the back, sit it on its back. This way the sound is gonna spread more evenly. And if you're indoors, it's gonna hit that ceiling and it's gonna sound a lot better. I absolutely promise you, it's gonna sound better. Test it out if you think I'm wrong and let me know in the comments below, right? If you need a sound test for this speaker, there are plenty of videos on YouTube that supply sound tests. It's just not in this video, all right? All right, fam, until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.